You've got enough to do, so why not make life at home a little easier? These household gadgets and even simple furniture pieces that can make your space more comfortable, organized, and easy to manage are made to save you time, help you stay organized, and take the stress out of daily chores. Here we are going to show you the coolest thighs on Amazon that can upgrade your home. All the mentioned gadgets links are in the description below. Number 30. Snow Rake. No more worrying about heavy snow on your roof. The AVA 750 makes it easy to clear snow without climbing ladders or risking your safety. It comes with a lightweight 15.5 foot fiberglass pole, a 17-inch snow guide, and a tough vinyl scraper to help you get the job done fast. The built-in 3-inch wheels help protect your roof, even if you have solar panels. It's easy to put together, with 4 snap-on fiberglass handle sections that give you the reach you need to clear snow while standing safely on the ground. Number 29. An Anka Spaces folding table. This smart piece of furniture is more than just a table. It's a full-featured setup designed for both indoor and outdoor use. With foldable stainless steel legs and a smooth wood surface, it easily transforms into a side table, coffee table, or mini bar. What makes it stand out is the built-in Bluetooth speaker, RGB mood lighting, wireless charging pad, USB ports, and even a weather-resistant power outlet. It's designed to pack up quickly and carry wherever you go, whether you're heading to the patio, park, or a camping trip. Stylish, portable, and incredibly functional. It fits any lifestyle. Number 28. Drying rack. When space is tight in the bathroom or on the balcony, this wall-mounted foldable drying rack comes to the rescue. It has 5 strong rods that can hold up to 80 pounds, along with 10 clips to keep your laundry secure. The sturdy aluminum frame is built to last, and it folds away in seconds to save space when not in use. It also gives great airflow so your clothes dry faster. Simple, practical, and perfect for any home, balcony, or laundry room. It's a small upgrade that makes a big difference. Number 27. Automatic curtain opener. There's a smart curtain opener that installs without any tools and works with Alexa, Google Home, or Apple HomeKit. The powerful upgraded motor quietly glides heavy curtains open and closed, with positioning magnets to reduce light leaks and ensure accurate movement. You can schedule when they open, use silent mode at night, and even link it with your other smart home devices. And to keep tabs on your environment, a compact motion sensor helps monitor movement, light, temperature, and even vibrations. Number 26. Skadu electric spin scrubber. Cleaning tough grime has never been easier. This new handheld scrubber is compact but powerful, designed to take on dirt from any surface around the house. Just snap on the right attachment, press the power button underneath, and let it go to work on all that stuck-on mess. With almost no effort, you'll have shiny, spotless results in no time. It's quick, simple, and actually fun to use. Number 25. Shelf organizer. This hanging organizer instantly adds storage space where you need it most. It's stable, durable, and designed to stay level without tilting. The reinforced arms are height adjustable to fit taller items, and installation is tool-free. Non-slip pads keep it firmly in place, with an adjustable height range of 4.6 to 7 inches. It's perfect for use in the kitchen, pantry, closet, or even on a bookshelf. The adjustable arms help it fit snugly under shelves or inside cabinets, providing extra space with added stability and dual protection to prevent slipping or falling. Number 24. Atmoph Window Yo. Bring the outside world into your home with this window-like display that transforms any room into a peaceful escape. It plays over 1,700 ultra-clear 6K videos paired with calming nature sounds, from vibrant rainforests to quiet beaches. Use the unique telescope-style controller to explore wildlife and faraway places, while the built-in smart guide sparks new travel ideas. Backed by research in Kyoto, this digital window has been shown to speed up stress recovery. Number 23. SmartWings Shades. These cordless motorized blinds are the perfect upgrade. You can control them remotely through an app or a remote, set schedules, group them together, and adjust settings from anywhere. The cordless design makes them safe for homes with kids and pets, and the rechargeable motor lasts up to 6 months on a single charge. No constant recharging needed. Number 22. Spice Jars Grip. This set is a great space saver, perfect for everyday kitchens, camping setups, ship cabins, and even medical facilities. You simply place your spice or sauce jars into the bright red magnetic holders and stick them onto any surface, vertical or horizontal. The included metal discs come with adhesive backing, so you can attach them almost anywhere. And here's a bonus. The table in this set has a clever hidden feature. It transforms into 4 separate shelves when needed, making it even more useful and versatile for tight spaces. Number 21. Repair tape. No more stressing over ripped screens. You can fix them in no time. Just cut the size you need, stick it on, and you're done. This strong fiberglass tape holds up great in any weather, from cold winters to hot summers, between -4 degrees Fahrenheit and 158 degrees Fahrenheit. So if it's for a window, door, tent, or pool screen, it works indoors and outdoors. The 30-foot roll gives you plenty to work with, so you don't have to replace the whole screen. Just patch the hole and move on. It's not invisible, but it gets the job done and saves you money. Number 20. Capsule Personal Dishwasher 2.0. This compact countertop dishwasher is perfect for small kitchens, dorms, RVs, or even boats. It doesn't need any plumbing, just plug it in, fill the built-in tank, and you're good to go. Despite its size, it fits up to 35 items like plates, pans, and utensils, and it runs a full wash in just 15 minutes using very little water and power. There's even a special mode for washing fruits and a UV light option for extra sanitizing. With smart loading features and energy-saving performance, it's a great space-saving solution for anyone short on kitchen space. Number 19. Waterproof box. When there's steam in the bathroom and water in the air, protecting your outlets becomes important. This waterproof cover helps keep outlets safe from moisture, which can cause short circuits or damage. It's made from strong fire-resistant material and has a spring that makes it easy to open. The back has a strong adhesive, so it sticks well to most surfaces. Its simple, clear design fits in with any room, whether it's a bathroom, kitchen, or even a kid's room, making it a practical way to add extra safety where you need it. Number 18. Swivel Faucet Extender. Why deal with a hard-to-use faucet when you can move the water flow exactly where you need it? This brass faucet extender adds flexibility with 3 360-degree rotating joints that let you adjust the direction easily. It has 2 water modes, a soft bubble stream for regular washing and a strong spray for cleaning tougher messes. A built-in filter helps remove impurities from the water. It's simple to install and works with M20 to M24 threads. Customers like how easy it is to set up, the shiny chrome finish, and how much easier it makes things like washing hands, cleaning, and even rinsing hair. It also comes with several adapters to fit different faucet sizes. Number 17. Folding rack. Keep your bathroom neat and tidy with this handy foldable towel rack. It has 9 hooks, so there's plenty of space for towels, robes, and even small items like sponges or brushes. The arms can swivel to save space when you need it, and the matte black finish keeps it looking nice by protecting it from rust and scratches. It's compact, stylish, and works well with any bathroom setup. Super easy to install, and it comes with all the parts you need to set it up right away. Number 16. Rolling soap box. When regular soap just doesn't do the job, this clever Skadu soap dish steps in. It's more than a soap holder. It includes a foam dispenser, a soft lathering roller, and a spring that helps squeeze out every last bit of soap. Made from strong polypropylene, it's built to last, and the rubber roller is gentle on fabrics. Drainage holes keep the soap dry and firm, while the clear cover lets you see how much is left. No more waste or slippery soap bits. This dish helps you use every single piece. Number 15. Folding table. These folding bins are a quick fix for cabinets that lack shelves. They stack neatly on top of each other and slide easily, making them super convenient. Even without cabinets, the bins work great on their own, and a set of 5 offers plenty of storage. Alongside that, there's a multifunctional folding wall table that shrinks and expands to suit your needs. Use it as a dining table, desk, or workspace. Designed to save space, this wall-mounted table fits perfectly in kitchens, bedrooms, cafes, or offices. It's made from eco-friendly solid wood particle board with a rich, glossy wood grain. Number 14. Shark StainStriker. Got pet hair, coffee spills, or muddy footprints? This little machine takes care of it all. It has strong suction that goes deep into fabric to lift tough stains and smells, and the cleaning formula works way better than regular stain removers. It's lightweight, under 9 pounds, and super easy to carry around. You can use it on carpets, couches, car seats, and more. Plus, it has built-in OXY power to break down dirt fast. Simple, powerful, and perfect for everyday messes. Number 13. Elastic sofa cover. These sofa covers are perfect if you're after both comfort and style. Made from a stretchy polyester spandex blend, they fit snugly over your furniture and feel super soft. They're easy to put on, machine washable, and great at protecting your sofa from everyday wear. Plus, the subtle textured design adds a cozy, stylish touch to any room. So if you're refreshing your space or just want to keep your sofa looking new, these covers are a smart, hassle-free choice for anyone who loves a clean and classy look. Number 12 clips. No more worries about sun, wind, or birds. These 200-strong plastic clips are perfect for holding shade cloth in place and keeping your plants protected in greenhouses, gardens, or veggie patches. They're tough, weather-resistant, and built to last. No rust, cracks, or wear over time. The special serrated design holds fabric tightly without tearing it, and the small holes make it easy to tie them down with rope. They work with all kinds of covers, from sunshades to bird nets. Plus, they're super easy to use. No tools needed. Number 11. Lift mover set. Moving heavy furniture doesn't have to be a struggle anymore. This handy tool set makes it super easy to shift bulky items like wardrobes, fridges, sofas, or washing machines. No extra help needed. Just use the lever to lift furniture up to 2.3 inches. Slide the sturdy rollers underneath. They support up to 220 pounds, and you're ready to roll. The non-slip handle gives you a solid grip, and when you're done, the whole kit tucks neatly into a drawer. Perfect for home makeovers without the backache or calling in the pros. Number 10. Murphy bed frame. If you're looking to save space without giving up comfort, this Murphy bed kit is a game changer. Built by pros with over 20 years of experience, it's made from heavy-duty steel and can support up to 1,500 pounds. So it's as tough as it gets. It uses a strong European slat system that keeps your mattress comfy and supported for years. The whole frame is powder-coated for durability and includes solid wood slats rated up to 2,000 pounds. You can install it right into a closet or mount it on your wall. Whatever works best for your space. Simple, solid, and smart. Number 9. Washing machine. A small washer with a big impact. Weighing only 3.5 pounds, this compact machine fits easily under a bed or in a suitcase, but can still handle up to 3.96 gallons of laundry, nearly double what most mini washers can do. It mimics gentle hand washing, making it perfect for baby clothes, socks, and underwear. There's even a built-in blue light for extra disinfection. Its foldable design makes it super handy for small spaces, dorms, travel, or camping. Just remember, it's meant for small loads, but for what it does, it's spot on. Number 8. Tape bag sealer. This handy bag sealing tool makes prepping and freezing meat a breeze. It quickly twists and seals plastic bags using a strong roll of tape, long enough to seal around 1,200 packages. The tape is wide enough to create tight, secure seals that help keep everything fresh, whether it's ground beef, pork, or even wild game. It protects food from freezer burn and rough storage conditions. The tape comes on a convenient spool, and the tool itself is small enough to fit in any kitchen drawer or corner. It's fast, simple, and makes food storage way easier. Number 7. Vegetable chopper. With just one quick push, it chops onions, herbs, or nuts into even pieces. No tears, no mess. The sharp stainless steel blades spin automatically with each press, and the roomy container comes with measuring marks, making it perfect for prepping salad, salsa, or even fries. The comfy handle makes chopping almost effortless, and when you're done, everything comes apart easily for a quick clean. Yes, it's dishwasher safe. Safe, fast, and super handy, it's a great way to speed up your cooking routine. Number 6. Apple corer. Taking the core out of an apple is super easy with this tool. The sharp, jagged blade slices right through the fruit, and the handle is comfy to hold, even if your hands are wet. And it's not just for apples. You can use it on pineapples, zucchini, or even potatoes. It comes apart in a second, and you can just toss it in the dishwasher when you're done. No more messing around with knives or big cutters. This little gadget does all the hard work for you. Number 5. Window cleaner. Cleaning windows can be a hassle, but this double-sided magnetic tool makes it so much easier. With 5 adjustable magnetic levels, it works on glass from thin to thick, great for everything from regular windows to large glass panels. Built-in sponges hold water, and the silicone edge wipes without leaving streaks. Its triangle shape gets into corners, and the 8-foot safety cord keeps the outside piece from falling. Just move it from the inside, and it cleans both sides at once. No more climbing or mess, just shiny windows with minimal effort. Number 4. Door Closer. Tired of doors slamming shut or staying open when they shouldn't? This little gadget takes care of that for you. It gently pulls your door closed every time. No banging, no effort. Thanks to its dual steel cable design and solid pull strength, it works on sliding, glass, storm, or aluminum doors without a problem. It's been tested over 80,000 times, so you know it's built to last. The best part? No tools or drilling needed. Just stick it on and you're good to go. It's a simple fix that keeps things quiet and helps block out those annoying drafts. Number 3. Sink Topper. Running out of counter space while doing your makeup or styling your hair. We've all been there. Brushes rolling off the sink, no place to set your curling iron, and everything feeling cramped. This foldable over-the-sink mat is the game changer you didn't know you needed. It instantly creates a sturdy surface right over your sink, giving you room to lay out your makeup, tools, or skincare products. Made from heat-resistant silicone, it can handle your hot tools without damaging anything. Up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. It even has a textured zone to clean your makeup brushes. No clutter, no mess. Just easy beauty time. Number 2. Wall lanterns. If you're looking for bright outdoor lighting without dealing with wires or high electricity bills, these solar lights are a great pick. They charge up in about 6 to 8 hours during the day and then light up your yard all night long. With 2 LEDs, they give off a warm but strong glow, and the built-in motion sensors adjust the brightness automatically. Even on cloudy days, the smart solar panels keep them running. They're waterproof and weather resistant, making them perfect for porches, fences, or patios. A simple and reliable way to light up your outdoor space. Number 1. Aqara Hub M3. If your home could make its own choice, it would go for the Aqara M3 Hub. It supports Zigbee, Thread, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and even infrared, letting you connect both smart and older devices into one system. You can link up to 127 gadgets and even set up offline automations. The 360-degree IR blaster doesn't just send signals, it also picks up on remote control activity, so it always knows the real status of your devices. It can even turn your regular IR air conditioner into a smart thermostat when used with an Aqara temperature and humidity sensor. We're done here. If any of these finds made your to-buy list, drop it in the comments. Like the video, subscribe if you haven't. Thank you for watching.